everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We've been having a number of people having issues with pain in the elbow. Right here at that point of the elbow where the triceps inserts there. It is called the olecranon process of the ulna. And what's happening is as they do either pushing movements such as a bench press, a push-up, or a dip, for instance, or even an overhead press, they're having problems, like a pulling, sharp, even can be sharp pain in through the elbow right through here. Also movements like triceps rope extensions or overhead or even in front of them, or even triceps kickbacks, they're having problems in that elbow. So here's just one easy fix that'll help alleviate some of that discomfort in and through the elbow. We find that a lot of people are getting trigger points in through the tricep muscle itself. And trigger points are just areas of the muscle that are hard and tender, and it feels like a taut band in through there. And what's happening is that part of that muscle is starting to cramp up, and it's giving them problems, and it's making this area, it's pulling on this tendon and making it really, really tight where it inserts on the olecranon process. So here's an easy fix to alleviate some of that discomfort when they're doing these movements. What you do is you take a barbell, you get it set up like this in a rack, you lay your tricep right over it. And again, you're not putting a whole lot of pressure. You want to do this within your comfort level. You don't want to be sitting here in terrible pain as you do this. You want to do it to your comfort level. You search around, find those tight spots in the tendon and in the muscle, like right there. There's a tender spot for me right there. So as I find that spot, I'm going to hang out in that spot and take it through its range, the tricep through its range of motion. So extension, flexion, extension, flexion. Do that a number of times, and then you find another spot. There's another tender spot for me right there. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension. And you just keep moving up. You find another tender spot. Flexion, extension, flexion, extension. And just work that tricep. Do this 3 to 5 minutes before your exercises, your pushing exercises, and that'll help alleviate a lot of discomfort in that tricep, as well as that pain that you feel in the elbow. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. Feel free to please like, subscribe, and share this video. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. You take care, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.